Bluetooth dongle. What more is there to say? For those of you who don't know, my computer here does not come with Bluetooth. And I have just managed to unplug a bunch of things, haven't I? Pausing the video. And we are back, folks. So, yes, now that my computer is rebooting, if I unplug something, hopefully I haven't killed my computer trying to show you a Bluetooth dongle. Anyway, Bluetooth dongle. If your computer does not come with Bluetooth out of the box, just like mine didn't, that little dongle that I showed you will solve your problems. It works incredibly well. It's full feature Bluetooth, incredibly tiny, does use a USB port. Be aware of that. And yeah, what more is there to say really? Is there? It is a Bluetooth dongle that will give you Bluetooth functionality for a non-Bluetooth computer. It is full-size USB, not micro USB or mini USB. It is full-size USB. And thanks to that, I have Bluetooth functionality. So if you need a Bluetooth dongle for your computer, link in the description. Peace out.